Calabasas today, and we are doing a Deadbolt strike plate deepening or moistening because the bolt did not engage all the way.
Front door lock locked.
Okay? As you can see
Front door
now,
lock unlocked.
as you can see, the bolt
Front door open.
is extending 1.25 inches, but the hole was just, they never made the hole. So now we're drilling a new, deeper receiver for it, so the bolt extends all the way. The problem is, if the bolt does not extend all the way,
Front door lock unlocked.
if it doesn't extend all the way, you can push on it. But if it extends all the way, there's no way
Front
to
door
push on
lock
it.
locked.
See you in the next one.